these guys all day long, just chilling. Just chilling. I'm gonna try to get some more hair off of him. Oh, you like that, huh? You do. Look at you. And we covered everywhere. Oh, it's gonna be feeling a lot better, little fishy wish. There's all sorts of ways to love you, and taking care of you is one of the best ways. Oh, so much. So we could take this and we're gonna put it in with the rest of the peas. There we go. Perfect. Lots of peas, chickies. And I have to come and push you guys, don't I? Okay. Okay, I'm coming to push ya. Woo! Look at those chickies, no worms though.
Scary.
That was scary? Okay, bang, boom.